people who take this witness table and describe their encounters with UFOs. And it won't just be U.S. media following, but international media outlets watching this room as well. Scott McFarland, CBS News, the Capitol.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
Yeah, unfortunately, my video does not do this justice. Here's what I saw in Centerville tonight, just before the sun was setting there off in the west. Robert, the haze in the air really made for a beautiful Tuesday night.
I saw it, a bright red sunshine. It was in the back, it was in the rearview mirror, I should say, and it looked pretty nice. I was heading east, and that's because, there's a lot of haze in the air. We don't have an air quality alert for Montgomery County, but as I mentioned earlier, we do have them to the south. It's also warm. These are current temperatures. We're looking at 76 in Dayton at 11:16 p.m., 75 in Springboro, 79 in Oxford. Now, we all avoided the 80s today, the 90s today. I think Oxford yesterday hit 90 degrees. That was the only place. But you'll notice that we are going to be trending warmer as we move into the next several days. In fact, we're already trending a little bit warmer from last night. Not a lot, but each day we've been trending just a little warmer and a little warmer. And right now, we're 3 degrees warmer than 11:16 p.m. last night. Now, this morning, we actually got down to the 60s. Some of you lucky dogs got down to 57, like in Richmond, 59 in Urbana. So it really didn't feel too bad. However, that humidity is climbing. When there's more humidity in the air, it's harder for that temperature to drop. And we're going to struggle to reach the 60s tonight. We're only forecasting a low of 70 degrees in Dayton anyways. Any of you north of I-70, you'll likely get into the upper 60s. And then we're also looking at the chance for some severe weather. Now, this enhanced risk, this orange color, this 3 out of 5, 5 being the highest chance for severe weather, it has shifted a little bit to the north from this morning. And so as of right now, even Mercer and Auglaize County are under this slight risk. That being said, the evidence, it's a little up in the air, no pun intended, as far as how severe weather we might see. Now, the best chance is going to be up toward Michigan and Toledo, and I'm really seeing a lack of evidence as far as how much of a chance of severe weather we have here. But that being said, I'm still not taking the chance for some storms off the 7-day forecast. So be aware that we could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. But at the same time, this may change dramatically, but keep that in your mind. You may see some thunderstorms tomorrow as we are technically under a risk for some severe weather. And the heat and humidity, like I mentioned. Now let's time out this chance for rainfall. As we move into Wednesday afternoon, here's a look at 2 o'clock. You can see a line of some thunderstorms up near Detroit. You see some cloud cover here, but no rain. As we move into the evening hours, look at 10 o'clock, you can see another line of some showers and thunderstorms, but it doesn't quite make it here. Now, this is just one computer model, but again, the chance for some thunderstorms does exist tomorrow. We're certainly hot and humid enough, and there is a system moving through. We'll just have to see if it actually launches anything. Right now, looking at some mostly clear skies, no rainfall across the Midwest, and the 7-day forecast shows another chance of rain on Saturday. That one looks a little bit better, with high temperatures going from the low 90s to the upper 80s, which is more seasonable. And so you might have some warm mornings with a morning of 74 degrees Friday, but back to the low 60s next week.
All right, Robert, new tonight in Kentucky, while crews were demolishing a building, it collapsed and hurt somebody. Now, here's what's left of the place, about 3 hours from Louisville. Police said an ambulance took that person to the hospital. It's now up to fire marshals and engineers to figure out why the building fell in the wrong direction. There were 2 other people in that building not hurt.